Hey friends, this is Rochelle from Sky Valley, and today I'm really excited because this park model just got delivered. So I'm gonna show you the delivery video. Okay, here's our newest home coming in. We're really excited for it. The lot this home will go on is currently occupied, so we're temporarily placing this home in storage. Let's see if we can get in for a first look. Oh, okay, so this is really exciting. This is our first look. Oh! Here's the kitchen in this home. It's a U-shaped kitchen, and you can tell that we've still got ropes on here, and everything is kind of packaged up from the transit. So there are gray cabinets in here with silver hardware and stainless steel appliances. One of the things that I really like about this kitchen is that it has a skylight, so it lets in extra natural light. The floor in here mimics wood. It's got a nice kind of cross in between a brown and a gray. It's got both tones in it, so you could really take it whichever direction you wanted to go with it. Down the hallway, there's some pantry space next to the fridge, as well as a built-in desk. Very convenient if you're gonna work from home at all. The bathroom has a square sink along with a medicine cabinet that opens up. There's a linen closet on this side next to the door, and right behind me is the shower. Right next to the bedroom, there's a washer dryer hookup. Here's a view into the bedroom. There's a pocket door right here to provide a little bit of extra privacy, but also save on space. There are storage cabinets underneath this large mirrored closet. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like more information about the homes that we sell here at Sky Valley, you can email us or you can give us a call.